So this video is for Deboss Garage quarantine car show that he's putting on. So here's my truck that I'm putting into the contest. It's a 1987 Dodge Ram W150. So this truck I've been working on it for about almost 5 years, and the first thing I did to it when I actually got the 1987 truck was I stripped it all down. I'll put some pictures up for the contest of how the truck actually looked like before. Then I actually end up buying a 1989, which this is the cab from, and I did the body swap, but the cab is from a D100, so I had to cut out the hole for the shifter here. I made that little stand for the actual boot for the shifter, and yeah, so that's what I did. And I drove it around for maybe a year or two with the original motor from the 87. And then while I was driving that, I actually rebuilt the engine from the 89. This is the engine from the 89. Converted it all to carburetor, and I made it with the mechanical fuel pump that the 87 used. So this engine has a mild cam. It's got an Elbrock performance intake with an Elbrock 600C FM carburetor on it. It's got headers. It's got the Mopar Performance valve covers and air cleaner cover. So yeah, so last year it was time to do the body on this. Took the box off. It's actually sitting right here. I'm waiting for a guy to respond to me from down south in Ontario. See if he can bring one up here in the Sioux for me. So yeah, so last year I did the suspension on it. Put a 4-inch Skyjacker lift on it. Put new leaf springs in the rear. And the kit came with front leaf springs, so I just installed those. And there was a big hole here, so we had to put a new patch in it. This is a new patch. You can't even tell, but you can see it kind of starts from here, goes all the way down to there, up there. So we did that this year. Rhino guarded the inside here. The cab's pretty much all done. Just have to just waiting on the sound dampening stuff that I bought. Then the seat can go back in. And then yeah, then after that, hopefully I get a box with this quarantine stuff that's going on, and get a box and have it. I wanted it ready for the car show that we have here in town in June. But I don't know if that's gonna happen, probably not, but that's why we're doing this. Yeah, I had to put all new doors on it. These doors came off of a guy was using them, but he didn't like the way they lined up. They don't line up perfect, but they're better than the ones that I got. These are the originals, but this one had a little bit of Bondo there, so I said, might as well not use it. That one over there had some rust on the side. So, and I got fenders, 2 fenders and 2 doors for really cheap, so I couldn't pass that up. Also got a new to me hood, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't have many mods on it other than the lift kit. This is what's going to be going in it. Got a little sub, 12-inch sub, and show you what the wheels that I'm going to be putting on it are. Go outside here. Big snowstorm here. Crazy, Northern Ontario. Big snowstorm. So I got these wheels from my buddy's dad. They're almost like the ones that General Lee had. I don't think they're Vectors, but close enough. I'm gonna paint them black and have the silver there. I think it'll look pretty sweet. So yeah, those are my wheels. Tires, not too sure yet. Probably run with the ones that I have now. I'm gonna put on some 33s or some 35s onto it. I think that will look pretty sweet. Let's get back in here where she's nice and kind of warm. So yeah, a couple more things. I actually converted everything to LED headlights, LED turn signals. The whole dash in here is all LED. Little I don't know, map light or whatever you want to call it. LED up there. Everything pretty much LED. Tail lights, reverse lights, everything like that. It's LED. So yeah, I'll put some pictures of how the truck used to look like before, where I had it when I was driving it for a couple years to now. And yeah, thanks for watching.